What's good? What's good? What's good? It's his Fire Finance. I'm here with another video, and today's topic is going to be very interesting. It is going to be about a very important shoe company, apparel company as well, that many people are familiar with. Either you love it or you hate it, so stay tuned. This video is going to be very informative. No frills or none of that crazy stuff that a lot of other channels do trying to pump the stock and sell themselves. This video is all about you. Let's start at the beginning. It's Crocs. Crocs is going to be the topic of this video. If you want to know more about the company, you can visit the website. Here is straight from the customer relations page for the company. You can pause to read if you want to know more about the company. But I think this company is a very important company and that people should be paying attention to it because it's not like other shoe apparel companies from my perspective. They're different. They're very different in my opinion. The PE ratio is 10 right now versus Nike, the competitor, is 22 PE. I mean, the stock is cheap by a lot of metrics from where I stand. Looking at the stock on face value, you can tell that there's an opportunity here. There's an opportunity for the stock to grow, for the company to grow, and it is trading literally at more than half of what Nike is once it comes to the expensiveness of it. Nike is also experiencing a lot of the problems that Crocs having right now. And because of that, that stock has also been dropping, so it used to be more expensive than it is now. Crocs just recently put out earnings and they dropped as well. So pay attention to what's going on with Crocs. Pay attention to what's going on with Nikes. The sector as a whole is suffering. It's difficult to sell shoes, apparel, clothes, and stuff like that. All the companies involved in that sector are struggling, but you're seeing institutional buying. Institutional buying is up, and it's up to the point where I think that a lot of companies, a lot of institutions are noticing the value here in this stock, and they are ready to put their money their money where their mouth is. They also have a positive forecast for the company, and I like that as well. The company is doing share buybacks on top of it, which makes it like the cream on top of it. They're not currently doing share buybacks, and I'll tell you why I think they're not doing that right now. It's a very, very important and a very big thing that they did that might be part of the reason why the stock is trading at such a value right now compared to a lot of its peers, a lot of its competitors. There's a lot that's going on with this company, and I'm going to try to cover as much of it as I possibly can in this video. So just try to bear with me. I like to see the share buyback program. I like to see that they at least have it in mind. And historically, they have bought back shares, although currently they're not doing it right now. Nonetheless, the stock is up 836% in its 18-year lifetime. That's literally 46% average per year. A lot of companies can't beat that. A lot of companies cannot have a stock that's growing as rapidly as Crocs is. Is that going to continue in the future? Nobody really knows. Nobody can tell the future. I'm just telling you the historic performance of the stock over its 18-year lifetime. It's crushing the market. 46% a year. I think the market average is like 11 or 12. So that right there is a strong indication for me that this company is doing something right over a long period of time. Now, they have good returns on capital, good return on assets, and good return on investments. Those metrics are up more than a lot of other companies, especially for a shoe apparel company to have these levels of returns. Is absolutely amazing. A lot of companies would feel so good just to have the numbers that this company has once it comes to their returns on capital, returns on assets, and return on investments. And I think it's because the way they build their shoes. The way they build their shoes is like literally not as much moving parts as a lot of other companies. It's like one main part of the shoe, and then they have like 4 or 5 different attachments, and then you can customize the shoe as well. A lot of people have a love-hate or a hate-hate or a love-love for Crocs. Either you love them or you hate them, and a lot of people love them more and more and more because they're just comfortable. They're comfortable shoes you can sit in and be at leisure. Now, HEYDUDE. They just purchased HEYDUDE, and that's part of the reason why I think the stock is trading as cheap as it is right now. They just bought the They just bought the company recently, and the company is dragging on earnings. HEYDUDE is a shoe brand that's a lot like Crocs, but they're more stylish and more casual. And they bought this company, and the numbers for HEYDUDE is down, and it's dragging on earnings. And they also spent like $2.5 billion to acquire this company, and the company is not doing well. But internationally, the Crocs brand is growing, and it's growing rapidly. But the HEYDUDE brand that they just bought is losing market share, and it's showing up in the financials, and a lot of investors probably do not like that. I don't know if HEYDUDE is going to perform better in the future or not. I personally don't like to try to predict things like that. I would like to know for sure, but time will tell. I'll stay tuned. Now they have all these partnerships, Minions and Despicable Me. Billions of dollars in the box office this particular brand is made. Bad Bunny, a musician, very, very popular Latin music artist. Awesome partnership. You also have Post Malone partnership. Very important. He used to do rap music. He also does country music now. Another partnership and collaboration they have is Ruby Rose, very popular influencer. These partnerships make this company specifically different from a lot of other companies. Kiss for older people into rock and roll. Love Kiss. A lot of people love these things. They can market to anybody of any age, any type of financial. They have Balenciaga, very high-end company, very luxury brand, very, very, very important brand for a lot of different people. They also have Lay's, Pringles. They have Pringles brand partnership. So they can partner with anybody, any place, anytime, so they can market to whoever they want. This company is very, very different. They have Fortnite, which is a very important shooting game that's very popular with young people. A lot of people stream this game. It's made billions and billions of dollars as well, selling this stuff. DJ Diplo, very important partnership. Like this company can market to anybody, and they leverage that marketing to sell their product. In conclusion, though, I think it's a neutral. This company has so much going on with it aside from just the branding, the marketing, the new purchase of HEYDUDE. I mean, politically, they're aligned with a lot of things that a lot of people will not agree with. And because of that, I think that will also affect their sales depending on who wins the election. And a lot of people don't like that kind of risk. I own some of it. I won't be buying any right now, at least not in huge bulk, until I see something different going on with the stock fundamentally. So fundamentally, right now, it's a hold. That's why I'm neutral. I would love to be able to tell the future, but nobody can. And all I can do is be honest with my viewers about what it is I think about the stock, where do I think it's going, and it's difficult to predict a stock like this because shoes and apparel and anything like that is difficult for people to really grasp. But I want to take this time to thank you for watching. I would like for you to like, comment, subscribe if you felt that I gave you value in this video. I'll be making more and more videos as time goes by, but I really need the support from you guys to help me build out this channel so that I can do more. Because I want to be able to go and start talking about the stocks, stream it, show you guys how I evaluate my stocks, how I make the decisions that I make to buy or sell or hold. I want to show you guys how to do this for free. Thank you for watching. Have a nice evening.